Welcome to everybody to the best crypto channel, the best gold and silver channel, and the best channel if you're into trading the stock market. Okay, guys? Our boy Trump pulled through for the win. I'm pretty excited. Bitcoin holders are very, very happy. The markets are certainly rewarding Elon right now as well. Both Bitcoin and Tesla stock way up. So the Tesla ETF, TSLL, this is the one that I own. This one is up like 20 or 28% or something to like $15.30. It's up a lot. I own option calls on this and the TSLL ETF itself. But yeah, Bitcoin is over 75,400. So Shiba's up. Dogecoin's really doing well. So the markets in general are up at least 2% or more. One of the big things though right now is, well, gold is down about $80 an ounce. This is one of the biggest moves we've ever seen in gold for one day. And it's not a good move. Trump has said some things about a stronger dollar. And initially, yeah, I think everyone's going to be thinking that, oh yeah, Trump said stronger dollar. But in reality, it's not going to happen in the end. We're going to have to wait and see. I think the dollar will get weaker though, because of interest rates are going to be coming down. And I was thinking, like, just the fact that Trump won alone, yeah, that's going to make the dollar shoot higher. So that's what's happening today. The DXY is over 105. It's up like 1.5%. Just because Trump's in office doesn't mean things have really changed. Just because he took office today, the markets have reacted quite strongly. So yeah, gold's pulling back. We knew gold would pull back anyways, guys. Gold down $80, I think that's good. Silver's back down to 31. I'm gonna be buying some more. You know, I don't like to buy silver at 35 or 34. 31 though, I'll buy a little bit more silver. You know, obviously, guys, with silver, you should be dollar cost averaging. Silver is one of those guaranteed savings, guaranteed assets. If you buy it and you hold it, then you own it. Whether the price goes up or down, most likely it's not going to go down over time. It's going to go up over time. So silver and gold is just so safe to hold on to. You're not going to make like a fortune on gold or silver, but you can make money, yes. But Bitcoin holders are rejoicing today. We're going to wait and see. I mean, we are clearly above the 73,000 mark. So now we're in uncharted territory. Bitcoin's never been this high. So there is no resistance, okay? There's no charts. There's no charting to say, okay, it shouldn't go any higher. That should be it. No. Bitcoin can literally go and go and go. I think, though, that we are leading into a recession, and I think that Bitcoin's going to go between 100 and 120,000, and then the recession's going to hit in about a few months. I do think the recession's going to hit. But yeah, ultimately we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, so my Coinbase portfolio is way up good today, but a lot of my gold stocks are down. Look at Barrick Gold. That's in the $18 range. I thought that was just looking, the charts were just looking like that was going to go into blast-off mode any time. Well, guess what, guys? It still could. Trump actually should be good for gold. Yeah, we're getting an initial, the dollar is initially spiking because Trump has said some things about a stronger dollar. I don't think he meant those things. I don't. The whole time Trump and Kamala both were selling the Fed's plan of a weaker dollar. Easy money. Guys, I think we're going back into like a QE type deal at some point here. We're going to go into a recession, and that's when it happens. That's when gold and silver are going to skyrocket to get us out of this recession. So yeah, I see the market's still blasting off, still going higher. And then a recession hits, and then more money printing, quantitative easing. That's when gold and silver start to go up. So it's not going to be just yet. I know gold and silver have come a long way. Silver, not really. Silver hasn't really done that much. If you think about it, a year and a half, 2 years ago, silver was at 24. It only made it up to 35. And now we're down to 31 something. So silver never really moved, never had its move. That's still to come. That's still to come. But guys, I mean, I'm just so excited about Bitcoin and silver and gold and platinum. It's just Bitcoin is looking good right now. Since Trump just won, the crypto investors got what they wanted. Trump has said some things about Bitcoin. He's not going to sell the strategic reserve, or he's going to make a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Yeah, that's what he's going to do potentially. And with interest rates continuing to come down under Trump, that should increase the opportunity cost of non-interest bearing assets, non-yield bearing assets, like crypto and gold and silver. You don't make any interest from these. But when you don't make as much interest holding dollars, then a lot of money flows from dollars into crypto and gold and silver. So I still think this is coming. I think gold, silver, and Bitcoin are going way, way higher. But you might be looking at pullbacks along the way, guys. So my thing is I'm just going to keep on buying. Just buy a little here, a little there. Sometimes I buy crypto. Sometimes I buy silver. Sometimes I buy dividend-paying stocks like Petro Brazil. The whole thing is, guys, when you get an investment plan, just stay true to it. Don't stray. Unless your plan starts going wrong and you say, okay, it was a bad plan to begin with, and all these people, all these individuals that are smarter than me agree that it was a bad plan, then you change your plan, okay? Get a plan and stick to it. If your plan is to buy 5 ounces of silver every week, then you should do that every single week. And then your plan's going to become fulfilled. You're going to get a whole lot of silver. But if you stray from your plan and say, oh, I'm going to buy the latest, hottest penny stock, whatever, that could end up being a mistake. All right, guys, I'm just going over to the Outback Steakhouse here for a meal. I'm meeting somebody here, meeting a chick here actually. We go on a date, so I'm taking her out to Outback Steakhouse, and we'll see how much the bill comes up to. I'll let you guys know later.